to the first Java tutorial on this channel, and it's pretty much going to be a really basic, just fundamentals, and as we go on we're going to really go up, and we're actually going to do quite a lot, but you know, we're going to be doing full-on games, apps, all sorts of things. But for now, we're going to start with the basics. My hope is that you'll slowly be able to pick up on this stuff. Now, as you can see, I have Eclipse, and you want to pretty much just create a project like I've done here. I've created a Java tutorial, and it will have an src folder, source folder, and then you create a package, and this is where you put your class. Everything in this is classes. Everything in Java is about classes, so that's pretty much the way everything works with Java. And the first thing you do is you put in your main method, and the main method is essentially an automatic method, right? It's automatic code that runs as soon as you, hold on, that's supposed to be static, as soon as you press the run button up here or here. And essentially everything in your program eventually has to happen in here. So it's good to name the class main or window or something like that. It's where everything's taking place, so keep that in mind. But yeah, so as we start out, we'll pretty much do everything here, and then we'll slowly start to use other methods, right? But for now, we just do the simple system.out.print line. This is how you print in Java. If you've done any other programming languages, usually it's like console.log or print or something like that. In Java, you do this. Now, obviously, you have your arguments in here, and this is where you'll put your string. Hello world, typical hello world, everybody knows it. And as you'd see, that's the result we get. So this is the most bare bones kind of program you can make in Java, just something that prints whatever you put in here. And of course, we can copy and paste it as many times as we want. And we can also print other things as well. You can actually print numbers if you really want to. You can print 78. It doesn't have to be in quotations, but you can also print out 78 in quotations, and it's the same thing. In fact, what we can do is we can go 7 plus 7, and that'll actually give us the result of 7 plus 7, 14. So you can also do a little bit of mathematics if you really want to. So yeah, this is pretty much everything you need to know for the most basic kind of program. You create your main method, and then you do some sort of print command. In this case, system.out.println, right? So there we go, that's the first tutorial. Next one's going to be variables.